In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments and resolve threads on files in Dropbox via the web portal. If you're collaborating on shared documents or seeking feedback on projects, knowing how to effectively manage comments in Dropbox can significantly enhance your workflow. Let's dive in and get started with adding comments. First things first, you'll need to sign in at Dropbox.com with your account details. Once you're in, navigate to the file that you want to add your comments to. To do this, browse through your folders or use the search function to locate the specific file. Once identified, click on the file name to open a preview. This preview allows you to view the file and access tools needed to comment on it. Now you'll want to look towards the top right corner of the preview window where you'll find the comments icon. Click on that to open the comments pane. Here's where you can really start interacting with your document. If your intention is to comment on the entire file, simply type your feedback in the comments pane. Once you've articulated your thoughts, hit Post. However, if you want to direct your comment to a specific part of the file, perhaps because the file is a PDF or image and requires more detailed feedback, you can do that too. Click and drag a box around the targeted area and then type your comment in the space provided. This feature is really useful for pinpointing exact sections that need attention or feedback. For those instances where you need to bring someone else's attention to your comment, Dropbox has a handy feature to mention someone directly. By typing the @ symbol, followed by their name, you can tag them. Once they're mentioned, they'll receive a notification, ensuring that your comment doesn't go unnoticed. Once comments are posted, anyone with access to the file can reply to your comment thread. It creates a tidy little conversation space for stakeholders to discuss changes or feedback directly on the document. Now, let's move on to how you can resolve comment threads once feedback has been addressed or no longer needs attention. Within the comments pane, find the specific comment thread that you believe has been fully resolved. You'll see an option labeled Resolve or something similar next to it. Clicking this will close the thread, marking it as addressed. Occasionally, you might need to revisit those resolved discussions. For that, navigate to the comments pane again and click the More Options menu, often identifiable by 3 dots. From there, select View Resolved Comments. This allows you to review all past conversations that have been marked as resolved. If the situation arises where further discussion is necessary on a previously resolved thread, there's an option to unresolve it, essentially reopening the thread. This might be particularly useful for files that are consistently updated, like documents in Dropbox Paper. Just keep in mind that the same principle applies through Dropbox's comments history. And that's it. You're now well equipped to add comments and manage feedback threads in Dropbox, making collaboration smoother and more effective.